So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be different because today I'll paint on a blouse. So let's start the video. I'll use fabric color for this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I'll paint Ma Durga's face on the back side of blouse. Before start painting, I already wrapped my notebook with polythene because it's a cloth, so the color spilled out. That's why I used that. Guys, if you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.